Installing the guide assembly on the positioner. This video shows how to attach the Autobox Dual Belt 3L and 3LS guide tube assembly to the lightweight positioner, set the standoff distance, and lock in the tube pitch correctly. Start by pulling the quick release handle on the vertical carriage of the lightweight positioner into the open position. Slide the guide tube assembly into the vertical carriage, guiding it into the clamp area. Slide the guide assembly along the vertical carriage until the ends of the guide tubes are about 1/2 inch, or roughly 13 millimeters, away from the face of the heat exchanger. This gap keeps the guide tubes close enough to support the lances, but not so close that they contact the tube sheet or restrict movement. Once the guide tubes are at the correct standoff, push the quick release handle closed to clamp the guide tube assembly onto the vertical carriage. If it feels too loose or too tight, adjust the tension bolt in the clamp handle with a 5 mm Allen key until you get a firm, secure clamp. With the guide assembly mounted and clamped, set the pitch of the guide tubes to match the bundle. On top of the guide assembly, loosen the tube clamp levers and the pitch adjustment levers. Shift the guide tubes until they're in line with the pitch of the tubes in the bundle. When the alignment looks correct, tighten the tube clamps and the pitch adjustment levers to lock the tubes in position. With the guide tube assembly securely attached to the lightweight positioner, the standoff set, and the pitch aligned, the system is ready for lance loading and tractor setup. If you need to confirm any details, you can find a link to the full product manual in the video description.